The television is no longer just a screen on your wall. It has become the central nervous system of the modern American home. For years, we've seen the streaming wars escalate. Netflix, Disney+, Max, all fighting for your subscription dollars. But while they were fighting over content, Apple was playing a much longer, much more dangerous game. They were waiting. They were perfecting the hardware that would eventually make every other streaming box look like a toy from the last decade. And now, in 2026, the silence is over. The rumors, the leaks, and the internal supply chain code have all converged on one single point: the Apple TV 4K 2026. This isn't just a spec bump. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This is the moment Apple turns your living room into a high-end gaming suite, a professional cinema, and an AI-driven command center. If you thought the Apple TV was just for watching Ted Lasso, you haven't been paying attention. Let's talk about the heart of this machine. For the first time in the history of the product, Apple is breaking its pattern of using older, leftover chips. The leaks from the 2026 production line indicate that the new Apple TV 4K will be powered by the A17 Pro chip, the same monstrous silicon found in the flagship iPhone 18 Pro. Why does a streaming box need that much power? The answer is simple: gaming. Apple is finally ready to execute its console killer strategy. With the A18 Pro, we are looking at hardware-accelerated ray tracing, 3nm architecture, and enough GPU overhead to run AAA titles like Cyberpunk or Elden Ring at native 4K. For $129, Apple is effectively offering the performance of a PlayStation 5 in a box that fits in the palm of your hand. They aren't just competing with Roku or Fire Stick anymore. They are coming for Sony and Microsoft. But it's not just about raw power, it's about how that power is used. 2026 is the year of Apple Intelligence, and the Apple TV 4K is the vessel for its most ambitious rollout yet. We are moving away from the Siri we used to know, the one that constantly misunderstood your movie titles, and moving toward a true LLM-based Siri 2.0. This new Siri, powered by the A18's massive neural engine, doesn't just find a movie. It understands context. You can say, "Hey Siri, show me that movie where the guy from Inception is a pilot, but only the parts with the dog," and it will intelligently scrub through your library to find exactly what you're looking for. It becomes a personalized curator that knows your family's viewing habits better than you do. It can summarize sports games in real time, generate custom screensaver art based on your mood, and even act as a real-time translator for foreign language films without needing subtitles. Now, let's look at the hidden revolution, the N1 networking chip. This is Apple's secret weapon for 2026. The new Apple TV 4K is rumored to be the first major hub to support Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6. In a US household where every light bulb, fridge, and camera is connected to the internet, congestion is the enemy. The N1 chip cuts through that noise with zero-latency connectivity. This is crucial for 8K streaming and high-fidelity cloud gaming. Yes, the rumors are true. Apple is preparing tvOS for 8K output. Even if you don't own an 8K TV yet, this overhead means that your 4K content will be super sampled and cleaned up by AI to look more lifelike than a physical Blu-ray disc. It is the cleanest, most stable signal